You don't stop, dude.
Man, what do you predict? What's gonna happen in this fight?
I'm gonna get knocked out. Percent.
Thank you. Wait up. Jerry weighing in at
120.
Ooh, same weight.
match. What's gonna happen?
I don't know. I'm gonna try my best though. That's all I can do.
All right.
I don't have the light.
1, 2.
Let's get it on, girls.
Go.
Oh, slam him. Hey, Jerry, still take it. Jerry, go. Oh, hey, it's kickboxing too.
Hey, it's UFC. It's UFC.
It's UFC, anything goes. Except in the balls.
Kick him in the face.
There's no relaxing. This isn't a relaxed sport. Let's go. He's got his hands down. Get him, Jerry.
Get him, Jared.
He's getting tired, Jerry.
Go, keep on going.
Double.
Pick him up.
Shoot in.
Take him down.
Take him down.
Take him down.
Take him down, Jared. He sucks in the ground.
Get on,
No, he's tired.
He's tired. Go for the legs, Jerry.
Remember,
He's
so
tired.
someone taps out.
Take it to the floor.
Take it to the floor. He's tired.
Knock him out right there.
He's tired.
Just keep going.
It's not boxing, buddy. It's not UFC.
Hey, UFC, you can take him to the ground, Jared.
Tackle him. Hey, how about him? Get him, tackle him.
Tackle him, bro.
Get him.
Oh, you should have jumped on
Oh, you
top
should
of
have
him.
jumped on him.
Sorry, Bobby.
It's UFC, not boxing.
It's UFC.
Triple. Grab him and triple.
It's not patty cake. Come on now. UFC now. It's not patty cake.
Go. No.
Just like kick him.
Take him to the ground, make him choke him out.
Jerry, don't stop. Jerry, don't stop. Keep going.
Going. Looks like Jerry's coming back after that knockout.
That's it.
Keep going.